Hi, welcome to the Loopy Yarn Corner. Today we're going to cover the chainless foundation row. It's a way to start your project without having to make a chain, and you work the chain and your first row at the same time. So let's get started. First, you have to make a slip knot. And pop it onto your hook. And then we're going to chain 2. So there's 1, there's 2. Now we're going to start with the chainless foundation single crochet. So you're going to pop your hook into this first chain, yarn over and pull through, and now you have 2 loops on your hook. Now normally for a single crochet you would go through both of those loops, but first we're going to yarn over and just go through the first one, and that creates your chain. That's a chain 1. And then you're going to yarn over and work your single crochet. And that is your first foundation chain. Now you're going to turn it over, and I'm going to show this to you real quick. On the bottom side, because when you're working it, this is the top and this is the bottom. On the bottom side of your work, you see 1 bar here and 1 bar here. You want to go under both of those bars for the next stitch. So popping this back on the hook. Turn it over, and you want to go under both of those bars right here. There we go. You're going to yarn over and pull through, and here you have your 2 loops again. You're going to yarn over and pull through the first one to pull off that chain, and then yarn over and pull through both. There's your next one. Now you have 2 single crochets and 2 chains. Now we're going to go to the bottom, find those 2 bars of our chain again, and we're going to go underneath them, just like that. Yarn over, pull back through. I split my yarn, hold on. There we go. Yarn over, pull through the first one, pull off that chain, yarn over, pull through the next 2. And we'll try it again. Go underneath into both of those bars at the bottom. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull off the chain, yarn over, single crochet. And this gives you your chain and your first row of work at the same time. Oops. I already pulled off my chain. Here's the single crochet. And then you have your single crochet row, you have your chain row. All you have to do is chain 1. Come on. And turn. And you're ready to work into your single crochet and do more single crochet, just like you normally would. Oh, come on. So there is your single crochet chainless foundation row. Okay, so now we're going to work the chainless foundation half double crochet. Now this starts the exact same way as the single crochet. So you're going to start with a chain 2, chain 1, chain 2, and then you're going to yarn over like you would with a half double crochet. And we're going to go into that first chain, just like we did with the single crochet. We're going to yarn over and pull through, and we're going to yarn over, and instead of going through all 3 like we would for a normal half double crochet, We're going to go just through that first one and pull off the chain. And then we're going to yarn over and go through all 3 and make our half double crochet. And then just like the single crochet, you want to go to the bottom here and find the 2 loops right here, and you're going to go under both of them after you yarn over. Because we're doing a half double crochet, you have to yarn over first, and you're going to hold that and go through both of these loops here at the bottom. There. And then you're going to yarn over, pull off the chain just like that, yarn over, and work your half double crochet. Yarn over, go into both loops of your chain at the bottom, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull off that chain, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops and work your half double crochet. Yarn over, going into both of those loops at the bottom, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull off your starting chain, yarn over, work your half double crochet. Yarn over into this chain at the bottom, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull off that chain, yarn over, work your half double crochet. So you can see, looking at it, it looks just like a half double crochet with a chain at the bottom, because that's what it is, but you're working both at the same time. And the reason I like to do this is because it's a lot stretchier than a regular chain would be. You still have your loops at the back like you would with a normal half double crochet, and a normal chain usually ends up pretty tight, and I have an example over here. This is our treble crochet that we did in the treble crochet video. This chain down here has tightened up, and it is nowhere near the width that it needs to be for the work. So you see these triple crochets at the edge here flaring out because they don't have the space from the chain. But when you're working a foundation double, single, half double, or triple crochet, it's a lot stretchier, and you'll have that space at the bottom. So let's do one more. Yarn over under both loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through that first one to pull off the chain, and then yarn over, pull through the next 3. And there is your chainless foundation half double crochet. Next, we're going to do the double crochet. Okay, so as you can probably tell from the single crochet and the half double crochet, we're going to start with a chain 2. So there's chain 1 and chain 2, and you're going to yarn over like you normally would for a double crochet, and we're going to go into this first chain right here. Now, instead of going through 2 and then going through 2, we're going to yarn over and go through just the first one and pull off that chain. Now we're set up for our double crochet. We're going to yarn over and go through 2, and then yarn over and go through 2. And that's your double crochet. And then we're going to go back to the bottom, find both bars of that starting chain, go under both of them, yarn over and pull through. I forgot to yarn over, oops. Yarn over first and then go through those 2 bars at the bottom. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull off the chain, yarn over, work your double crochet. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. Yarn over, going into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull off your starting chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I should mention while you're doing this, you want to pull off your chains as loosely as possible, because the looser the chain, the more stretchy your work will be. Did I forget to yarn over for that one? I think I did. Sorry, hang on. Yarn over through the starting chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, knock off the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, that's better. And that is how you work your foundation, your chainless foundation double crochet. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking and subscribing. And then we'll go to the next video, which is going to be about how to change colors in the middle of your work. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and have a great day. Bye-bye.